my official day here. They were here.
But we
yesterday.
slept. We were in like, we didn't.
We drove
being
here,
lazy.
so they didn't do anything. But we're going to, what's the place called?
EARNEST Bar and Hideaway.
And they have bottomless mimosas.
Yes.
Yeah, so exciting. It is adorable. Wow. It kind of looks like Halloween themed with the orange and the purple. That's cute. For our appetizer, we split the hot chicken and mac and cheese, which is so flavorful, and I have to say it has a bit of a kick to it.
Oh no, I love it. It's so hot. How did you eat it? It's a little spicy actually. It's got a kick to it. Like in the back of your throat. I like it though. It's good. Warning. The chicken is so spicy. Oh my gosh. My throat and my tongue is on fire.
For the entrees, we had the Korean fried chicken sandwich, the poutine, and the avocado toast. The environment was really adorable. It kind of felt like you were in a cafe. It had a lot of books. Even our checks were brought in a book, which was really cool. But I have to say the environment was extremely loud, so just keep that in mind. So after brunch, we took an Uber to 12th South, and they have like really cute shopping. More like mom and pop local shops. Oh my gosh, I love this.
I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to open it and put a straw in it.
For dinner, we ate at Restoration Hardware, which is so incredibly beautiful. Oh my gosh, so this is a furniture store slash restaurant. Oh, look at this.
It's really comfortable.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's probably $10,000 at least. If it's comfortable.
The environment is so bougie, it really made me wish I brought my nice camera to take all these photos. The appetizer, we got the... I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that, but it was really good. And for the entree, I got the shaved ribeye on charred garlic bread, which I also really enjoyed. It's our last morning here in Nashville, And right outside of our hotel, this really cute, it's almost like a little mini park. And I'm going to get some coffee. We stayed at the Element, Nashville, Vanderbilt, West End. It was actually really nice, and the park out here was really cute. So, my flight was canceled, and I waited like hours in line just to get a voucher, and now I'm in Nashville one more night. This is my suite. It's actually really nice. Definitely such a lovely day out. It's October. I was expecting it to be fall weather here, but it's definitely hot. I asked a girl who worked in one of the stores where I should eat lunch, and she recommended the Assembly Food Hall, which is really close to Broadway. And I'm so glad she recommended me this place because it has so many different options for food, and I loved it. So today is officially my last day in Nashville since my flight got canceled yesterday, but it gave me one more day to explore, so I'm not mad. I'm in a park right now. I am on my way to a farmer's market. It's only a 15-minute walk. The weather is actually really nice out. It's slightly hot, but like there's this really nice breeze. It's overcast. And yeah, just enjoying the day. The farmer's market was a little empty that day because it was Columbus Day, but it did have a lot of options for food, and it's right next to the park, so if you're just walking by, it's a nice place to just stop by and see what they have. This place is. There's a bar over there. There's restaurants. And I had to stop by the Assembly Food Hall again just because I loved it that much. And I couldn't leave Nashville without trying a hot chicken sandwich, which they are known for. Even though I don't really like hot things, I had to try it. Oh, the mild one still has a kick to it. Like, for me, it's still really hot. What better way to cool off your tongue than having shaved ice? And I mean a very extravagant one. And I just had to bring home a whole box of these donuts. They were just so good. Well, that was my trip to Nashville. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you follow to watch more.